Hi students, now I will explain the summary of the poem A Little Grain of Gold. Open your textbook, see page number 14 and 15. A Little Grain of Gold is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for his collection of poems Geetanjali in 1913. Here, Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize for his collection of poems Geetanjali. In which year? 1913. He got Nobel Prize for this book Geetanjali. This is the 50th poem in the collection. In Geetanjali, this is the 50th poem. The poem is about the strange ways in which God tests his devotees. Here, in this poem, our poet shows or describes different ways, the different ways in which God tests his devotees. రకరకాల పద్ధతుల ద్వారా తమ భక్తుల్ని పరీక్షిస్తుంటాడు దేవుడు. This is the very important point from this poem. It tells us, the poem tells us an interesting parable. Here, the poem tells us an interesting parable. Parable means a short story which teaches us a moral. A short story which teaches us a moral, that is called parable. Here, a little grain of gold, the poem is a parable, a moral story. It sounds simple. Here, the poem is a very simple poem, but conveys a valuable message. It gives a valuable message, great message. It highlights the virtue of giving. Just before I told that in this poem, it highlights the poem, very important point is the virtue of giving. It highlights, the poem highlights the virtue of giving. ఇవ్వడం అనే మంచి గుణాన్ని ఈ పద్యంలో చెప్పాడు. The poem effectively drives home the point that giving should come before taking. From this poem, every student in first year, every student must learn, must know that drives home, take the home. The point is that giving should come before taking. What is the point is here? Giving should come before taking. Before taking anything, giving should come. You must learn giving before taking anything. ఏదైనా తీసుకునే ముందు ఇవ్వడం నేర్చుకో ఫస్ట్. Here the poem effectively drives home the point that giving should come before taking. Thus, it acquires a remarkable and universal appeal. Thus, the poem acquires a remarkable, unforgettable, and also universal appeal. So, in this poem, the speaker, a beggar. Throughout the poem, see here, who is telling the story of the poem? The speaker. Who is the speaker? A beggar. The beggar is telling a poem. The speaker, a beggar, was on his begging rounds. As usual, he was his begging. He saw the king, all of the kings coming his way in a gorgeous chariot. He saw the king. Here the beggar saw the king of all kings. The king was of all kings coming his way, coming to close him in a gorgeous chariot. Gorgeous means very attractive, very magnificent chariot, beautiful chariot. He was excited thinking that Here the beggar saw the king, was very excited, was surprised, excited, thinking that he would get plenty as alms. Here the beggar thought that he would get plenty as alms. ఎప్పుడైతే రాజును చూసిండో ఆ బిచ్చగానికి అనిపించింది, మా రాజు ఇవాళ నాకు మొత్తం భిక్ష వేస్తాడు, అన్నీ నాకు ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఆయన దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి అన్నీ అనుకున్నాడు. బట్ ద కింగ్ టు ద బెగ్గర్ షాక్ అండ్ సర్ప్రైజ్. బట్ హియర్ ద కింగ్ గివ్స్ ద బెగ్గర్ షాక్ అండ్ సర్ప్రైజ్. ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ అయింది. బట్ ద కింగ్ టు ద బెగ్గర్ షాక్ అండ్ సర్ప్రైజ్. రాజే ఇక్కడ బెగ్గర్కి షాక్ ఇచ్చాడు. అండ్ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్, బెగ్గర్ అడిగిండు, వాట్ హీ వుడ్ గివ్, నువ్వు నాకేమిస్తావు, వాట్ హీ వుడ్ గివ్. హూ ఆస్క్డ్? ద కింగ్ ఆస్క్డ్. టు హూమ్? ద బెగ్గర్. వాట్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్? వాట్ హీ వుడ్ గివ్. The beggar thought it was a royal joke. Firstly, here first the beggar thought that the king was joking. He thought like that. The beggar thought it was a royal joke. The king was joking. He thought that. But he took his, he slowly took out the least little grain of corn from his bag. At last, seriously, the beggar slowly took out the least little grain of corn from his bag. In his bag, what he took out? He took out the least little grain of corn from his bag. Chinna వడ్ల గింజ తీసిచ్చాడు. And gave it to the king. The beggar gave it to the king. That evening, the beggar found a least little grain of gold in his arms. In that evening, the beggar emptied his bag and he found that a least little grain of gold in his arm. Here, least little grain of corn becomes least little grain of gold. చివరికి ఆయన బ్యాగ్లో చూస్తే ఏముంది? ఆ వడ్ల గింజ కాస్త బంగారు గింజగా మారిపోయింది. He wept bitterly. The beggar was crying and crying and crying. He wished he had the heart to give his all to the king. Here, the beggar wished that he had the heart to give his all to the king. అయ్యో, నేను నా దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం ఇచ్చే గుణం నా దగ్గర లేకపోయాని. The heart to give his all to the king, because who in fact was God. The king was nothing but God. In fact, the king was God. So like this, the poem describes God's strange ways of testing his devotees. So like this, the poem shows how man is eager to take but unwilling to give. Here, how man is eager to take but unwilling to give, this poem shows. So this is the poem, A Little Grain of Gold, very important poem. One annotation will come from this poem and also one paragraph question will come from this poem, because Indian writer Rabindranath Tagore. You read carefully, you must learn the poem and also question answers and also paragraph questions and annotations also. Thank you.